Would you believe that many of the world's healthiest and longest living individuals rarely step into a gym? The secret to their vitality isn't grueling workouts, it's simple, enjoyable daily habits. Imagine staying fit and full of energy into your golden years without structured exercise routines. Too good to be true. Not at all. Here are 6 fun and effortless ways to keep your body moving and your health thriving. No gym membership required. Meet Carol, a 72-year-old retiree who once felt stuck in a rut. After leaving her job, staying active seemed like an uphill battle. The idea of running laps or hitting the gym felt more exhausting than energizing, and she started feeling disconnected from her body. But Carol didn't give up. Instead, she found a few delightful ways to add movement to her life. Now she wakes up each morning feeling refreshed and eager to take on the day, all without a single treadmill or push-up in sight. Carol's first game changer was turning everyday chores into mini workouts. She discovered a love for gardening, spending hours digging, planting, and tending to her flowers. What felt like a hobby was actually an excellent form of exercise. In fact, studies show that 30 minutes of gardening can burn up to 200 calories while building strength, improving balance, and supporting heart health. Beyond the physical perks, gardening also brought Carol a sense of calm and accomplishment. Even if you don't have a large garden, smaller options like a balcony garden or a few potted plants can deliver similar benefits. It's an easy way to stay active, connect with nature, and lift your mood. Another habit Carol embraced was walking as part of her daily routine. Instead of driving to nearby places, she started walking. What began as a practical choice quickly turned into her favorite part of the day. Walking gave her a chance to enjoy the fresh air, greet her neighbors, and appreciate the little things around her. Plus, with just 20-30 minutes a day, walking can lower your risk of heart disease, boost your energy, and improve your joint health. To make walking feel effortless, look for opportunities to weave it into your day. Stroll to the store, take the scenic route home, or listen to music or a podcast as you go. Carol also rediscovered the joy of dancing, completely by accident. One evening, while cooking dinner, her favorite song came on, and she couldn't resist moving to the beat. Before long, dancing became her go-to way to make everyday tasks more enjoyable. Whether she was folding laundry or tidying up, she found herself moving to music and feeling lighter and happier as a result. The best part about dancing: you don't need lessons or a routine. Just put on some music you love and let yourself go. It's great for your balance, coordination, and mental health. Playing with her grandchildren was another way Carol stayed active. Whether it was a game of tag, tossing a ball, or building forts in the backyard, these moments kept her moving and laughing. For those without young kids or pets, volunteering with youth groups or community activities can offer similar opportunities for playful movement. Another simple yet powerful change Carol made was incorporating stretching into her downtime. While watching her favorite shows, she used commercial breaks to stretch her arms, legs, and back. These quick movements reduced stiffness, improved her flexibility, and helped her feel more comfortable throughout the day. Finally, Carol joined a painting group that occasionally included light yoga sessions during their meetups. This blend of creativity, gentle exercise, and social connection became a cornerstone of her weekly routine. Joining a walking club, gardening group, or dance class can similarly combine physical activity with meaningful relationships. Carol's journey shows that staying active doesn't have to mean following strict workout plans. By embracing activities that brought her joy and movement, she improved her blood pressure, enhanced her sleep, and regained her confidence, all without traditional exercise. You can do the same. With small, joyful changes like gardening, walking, dancing, or stretching, you can create a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself. Start today, and you may just discover how rewarding an active lifestyle can be.